fun video. Just ran the whole way around the park. Get up, so we got Bo picking his butt. Oh my god. Grant! Oh god.
You have your phone on you.
You got a fat boy trying to get inside.
Hey Grant, why don't you go back on the slide? Go ahead.
Andrew! Well, this is the day at the park during the Boy Scouts, which I hate. Let's go. So, wait.
Hi, Grant.
What? Go down it, Shane.
You know when Grant goes on top of this thing, slide down and kick him.
Okay, go down the side then.
You want me to kick you with
Just no, just go down the side. You're so fucking retarded.
Hey, Doug, you want to come on the wheelchair?
No.
Not really at all.
Joey.
Hey, you want to fly like Superman?